And also joining the family is this new leaf here. Let's see if we can help you out a little bit. All right. There we go. And we have one here that's coming soon. That one. And I saw there's a new one coming there. We got some babies here. Yeah, it's a baby. And I saw, let's see, something else. Oh, and here. And I actually think I'm going to remove this one because it hasn't done anything in a long time. I think I'm going to pull this off to encourage this branch to continue growing forward or upwards. And then we have one here. So this is my beautiful rubber tree. Oh, and as far as my Fiddle Leaf Fig, I turned it away from the window so that it could stand back tall. And over the course of the last week, it is standing back up. It was leaning towards my bed, but because it's trying to get more sun, it's standing back tall so that it can lean towards the window, which is exactly what I wanted it to do. And these are the newest 2 leaves that came in about 2 weeks ago. And I think I'll probably get at least 2 more this spring.